Hi friends, Diana here from Garden Love. I made a new friend that loves to use organic homegrown products. So I am going to harvest a few things from the garden and gift it to her. So come along to see what I'm taking from the garden to bring her. Let's go. One of the things that I really want her to try is this Kayfir Lime leaves. I want to bring her a few. She is actually a Chinese medicine doctor, and I'm so proud of her. I'm proud of anyone who goes after what they want to do, and I'm just really excited for her. And she's going to be practicing Chinese medicine. I was telling her about Kayfir Lime. I'm sure she's going to do her own research, but for now I'm just going to bring her a few so she can smell it, look at them, so she knows what it looks like. Maybe cook some. She cooks a lot of rice, she mentioned, so she can make some rice. I usually put a leaf into my rice, and then I have a little basket there for her. You can air dry these and just keep them in a jar and use them as you need them. So that's what I'm hoping she'll do. There is so much new growth. There's tons of little flowers. So I am taking some of the old leaves and the new leaves. It's my understanding that the old leaves is what has the ones that have the most medicinal properties. So I think I think that should be enough. Let's move on to the next thing. I mean, come on, who doesn't love oregano? So since we are here and the oregano is here ready to go, I came prepared. My lavender plant's gonna hold that. I brought some scissors and we are just gonna take some of this dead oregano wood, so that way when we take some of the good one, it's not going. Okay, there's a good section right here. I'll bring you closer so you can see. Look at this. Look at that. Here is one of my best friends, the Laura Bay, the bay leaves. I have so many. She says that she cooks a lot with them, so we are going to take not just a few leaves, we're actually going to take some branches. See that? And we might chop that off into 2 little branches so they're easier to clean. And actually what I'm doing here is trimming my tree, and what's gonna happen is that that's gonna promote new branching, make this tree even wider, which at this moment I want it to go wider, not taller, so that way I can reach the plants. Look at this one, you guys see that? I'm gonna cut that into 2 bay leaves. I think this one's pretty tall. All right. Well, we do have a few artichokes, and I don't mind sharing my very first artichoke of the season that looks like it's ready to go. And I'm going to just gift her one. That's the only one that's fully ready. Look at that. I'm excited. And of course, we are going to give her some calamansi. This tree is so loaded, so at this point, she's doing me a favor to take all of these calamansi. We are gonna, look at, I'm just gonna take clusters because there's so many clusters here. I've been really excited about the drink I made with this Calamansci, and I told her how I made it twice already and everybody in the house loves it, with the exception of my husband. He doesn't like a lot of citrus drinks. If there's any tart or sour, he just avoids them. But the girls are loving them. I kept telling her about it and she's like, oh, I might go buy some to try it. I'm like, girl, don't. I have so many. I will bring you some, enough to make a drink. So based on the last few drinks that I made, I noticed that it requires you to have quite a few of these little calamansi fruit in order for you to get about a cup or two of juice. And that's what I intend to give her. Hopefully it's enough. I made it very concentrated, so quite frankly, I don't think you need that many in order to make the drink. I made a whole jug of it. So just depends how much she wants to make. But from the sounds of it, her family really enjoys fresh fruit, fresh herbs. She was telling me that her daughter loves Mexican key lime to make some pie. I strongly suggested that she grows one in a container, as I always suggest and recommend the key limes to grow in containers because they do so well and they produce so well in containers. As you can see here, the calamansi is pretty much gonna fill up my container, and I still have other fruits I want to give her. So let me harvest this. I'm not going to take up all of your time so we can move on. Probably need to go grab another bucket or something, a basket to harvest some more. What I should have done, I should have gotten a paper bag for the herbs and used this for, there we go. And remember, you want to cut it, not pull it, because we don't know when this fruit's going to be used. So you don't want the fruit to be exposed. Let's see. So much fruit. All right, let's. Friends, I truly underestimated this garden, and I also underestimated the heat that we are in. Although I have shorts and a tank top, I am sweaty. I definitely should have put my hair up because I can feel the heat radiating off my hair. But we did do a good harvest, and this is not all. We have more things to harvest to bring our friend. I'm gonna put this down, and at this point I think I need bags. I don't think I need a bucket. I need something much bigger. I definitely underestimated, like I said earlier, the heat and the power of this garden and how much we're going to harvest. This brings me so much joy to be able to share something that it's taken me years to grow, and someone who truly appreciates the benefits of all of this organic homegrown garden, vegetables or herbs. And we're about to pick some oranges, so come along. These oranges are the sweetest orange ever. This is my next, as soon as I'm done with the calamansi, I am going to start juicing these oranges. They are so sweet and my kids love them. But you know what? Kids nowadays are so lazy. They don't want to come out here and pick them. So for that reason, they haven't had any. Or they're just not paying attention and notice that this tree is pretty much loaded. So I think that's good. And I had to double back this because I know it's going to be heavy once we add the next fruit. I'm not gonna lie, I saw a little piece of, I want to say it's a root, and I almost freaked out right now. I thought it was a snake, And with that being said, I'm really gonna look around before I continue to walk, just because it's been so hot. My neighbor did tell me that they had a rattlesnake on their property. Thankfully, they were able to see it. And that's the one thing that as soon as it starts to warm up, I'm terrified of the potential snake. So I'm going to carefully look around before I go down and harvest. I might even poke around with the tripod. So I'm gonna have you guys wait a minute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little terrified of my thoughts at the moment, because there's so much. Look at that. It's so hot, but we are going to take a few of these Oro Blanco grapefruits. They are so good. And this tree really does need some relief, so I'm excited that someone's going to enjoy them. Look at this one. You guys have to look at this one. I'm doing the rotating method, so it doesn't take any of the peel, and so it's an easier cut. I'm trying to limit how much I'm bending down, because I don't want my back hurting later on. So I'm just gonna take a few. Look at these. I don't know if that's gonna be too much or not enough, but I am afraid that this bag's not gonna hold. Let me see. Wait. Took off. I think that should be enough. Yeah, I don't think this bag can hold anymore, so I'm going to have to hold it like that. Let's get out of this area. I'm going to be very, very careful where I step and what I'm looking at. I do want to point out that this Valencia orange and my Caracara are loaded with flowers right now, which I'm excited about. There is some oranges on there. There is one Caracara. I think last year it took the time to grow roots, and this is the year where it's gonna actually get some fruit set. I don't know if you guys can see it. Use the paper bag for the herbs just because it's just more natural. I have some bay leaves. The artichoke's gonna stay on the side. All this oregano. The Kayfir lime leaves. And I think that's enough to make the drink.